Today's topic is to check if a given string repeats itself again in the string or not. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is in basic approach, and the method 2 by using a list comprehension and the brute force. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So first we are going to initialize our string and an empty string over here, in which we are going to store the root of our string. After that we are going to use a list slicing and a find method. So over here we are incrementing the string 1, that is we are going to add the string 1 with the string 1, and after that, in that particular after addition, we are going to find our string 1 and to the -1 of the indexes. They both are nothing but the parameters which we have passed to find our root of our string, and after that we are finding the values of our string, that is we are finding the indexes. So the index will be ranging from 0 to the 9, since up to that only indexes, that is our root of a string. So our temp variable will be storing a value like a 9, that is up to the 9 of the string 1. We are going to store that into the string number 2, and after that we have them as an output. As you can see it over here, our 9 comes into the temp, and after that we have an output that is AAA, BBB and the CCC. They are our root of the strings.